A lot of people are lost when they first get into e-learning, and we have been asked by so many clients and so many students of ours, where should you start? Well, today we're going to go through the 2 things you need to do to start any e-learning or online course program that you build out.
We are e-learning partners. Welcome to the channel all about simplifying your e-learning. We got a free masterclass linked right below
the video.
Get instant access. You will learn how to successfully build an e-learning program and online course every time. We'll see you there.
Honestly, you can skip this video, go check out the masterclass now, and you'll learn a lot more than we're going to learn about in this video about where to start.
Because this is a crash course of it.
Basically, so the first thing that you're going to do is you start with your learners. So you start with learners. So who are your learners? We call learns. We call learners PLPs. So
perfect learner profiles.
Yeah, so what does this mean? This means that when you're starting with your learners, when you're building a program, you need to make sure that you define who they are. And how do you define who they are?
You have to define your perfect learner profiles. Biggest challenges. The biggest challenges are extremely important. Why? Number 1 is that they are going to engage most with it. Number 2, it's also, if you're developing course sale, is also most lucrative, because if you're designing a course around a challenge that is a 10 out of 10 on the pain scale versus a 1 out of 10, guess what? People want that 10 out of 10 pain eliminated.
Now, if you want to learn how to do this, check out the masterclass.
Masterclass, right?
And then the next step, actually in the masterclass, we're going to do both of these steps with you, so definitely go sign up for it.
Workshop style.
Learner transformation statement. So once you have defined your biggest challenge, you're going to build the learner transformation statement, which is, Hector?
This is a LTS for short, and this allows you to do what? It allows you to identify where is your learner before taking your course, and then after taking your course, how have they transformed? It's the A to Z process. The A being where they currently are before taking your course with that biggest challenge, and then the Z is how they've transformed and how that biggest challenge is solved and the results that they are receiving.
In marketing, people would call this the value prop.
The value proposition. And also when you're marketing your course or your e-learning program, guess what? You could use your learner transformation statement as the marketing message so people take it. They understand how they're going to overcome that biggest challenge and how they are going to transform.
Take our masterclass. We build the learner transformation statement with you. We walk you through it step by step.
We walk you through it.
We walk you through it.
We jog through it.
We run through it.
We do
an
ultra marathon through it.
So then after that, you're going to build your milestones. Your milestones are basically your journey from A to Z. So
they're your stepping stones to success.
So this is your LTS, right? You got your point A here. We have a lot of videos to talk about this. You have your Z here. This is where they start. This is where they finish. Then your milestones are what they achieve along the way. So once you get those milestones set up, then you can take all of this and integrate it with what we call the 3 pillars.
The 3 pillars, which are number 1, content, number 2, technology, and number 3, distribution. Now, listen very carefully. These are not steps. One of the biggest problems and biggest mistakes that people make, which we talk about in our masterclass, is they believe that e-learning is all about the technology and they follow these steps. I gotta find a technology, step 1, then I gotta create content, and then, oh yeah, I gotta distribute it. The reason why we call these pillars is because I want you to think of a 3-legged stool. If you take away one of those legs, you're gonna fall over. This is the infrastructure to your e-learning program, and questions relative to these 3 pillars and building these 3 pillars on day 1, starting on day 1, is absolutely critical to the success of your e-learning program or online course.
Exactly, and you will learn all about this in our masterclass. We talk about how the learners are the foundation for the 3 pillars and how the learners interact with the content, the tech, and the distribution. So once you have done all this, you know how to start every single program you ever build. If you want to learn more, check out our masterclass. Thanks for the likes and subscribes.